Hello, welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert Channel. Today, we're going to be treating home economics for JS1. Today's topic is Introduction to Home Economics. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to 1. Define home economics, 2. Mention the major areas of home economics, 3. Explain how home economics relates to other subjects, 4. Appreciate the importance of home economics in everyday life. Now, what is home economics? Is the study of how to manage the home and family resources wisely. It teaches skills needed for good feeding, clothing, housing, and family living. The main areas of home economics. We have 3 main areas of home economics. Number 1 is food and nutrition. That is cooking, meal planning, healthy eating, and anything about food is in food and nutrition. Number 2 of areas of home economics is clothing and textiles. That's sewing, laundry, clothing care, and every other thing about clothing in the home. Number 3, home management, keeping the house clean, budgeting, childcare, resource management. Now, relationship of home economics with other subjects. What are the relationship of home economics to other subjects? We have number 1, biology. That's nutrition, health, human body. Have number 2, chemistry, food composition, soap making, detergents. We have agricultural science, food production, crop, animal rearing. And then we have mathematics, measurements, budgeting. And we have fine arts, design, fashion, decoration. Then we have economics, resource management, consumer education, everything about management in the home. What are the career opportunities in home economics? The career opportunities in home economics are number 1, catering and hotel management. A caterer, chef, event planner, the people that can work in catering and hotel management. Then we have nutrition and dietetics, nutritionist, dietitian, food scientist. Then clothing and fashion, we have tailor, fashion designer, textile technologist, interior decoration and home management, interior decorator, housekeeper. Number 5, teaching and research, home economics teacher, lecturer, and researchers. Now, what are the importance of home economics to the individual? The importance of home economics to the individual, number 1, teaches skills for healthy living, nutrition and hygiene. It helps to manage personal resources like money and time. It provides career and job opportunities. The next one, it promotes creativity and self-reliance. That's the importance of home economics to an individual. Now we have importance of home economics to the family. Home economics is very important to the family. Now I'm going to state the importance of home economics to the family. Number 1, it promotes good feeding habits and balanced meals. Number 2, it helps to improve clothing care, sewing, and home decoration. Number 3, teaches budgeting, cooperation, and wise use of family resources. Number 4, it builds happy, healthy, and well-managed homes. Have you seen that? Now the next one is importance of home economics to the nation Nigeria. What are the importance of home economics to the nation? Number 1, it creates employment opportunities in catering, fashion, and other industries. Number 2, home economics contributes to national food security and nutrition. Number 3, home economics reduces poverty through self-reliant skills. Number 4, home economics promotes health, sanitation, and family welfare. Now, home economics supports national industries such as textiles, food processing, and hospitality. Can you see that? Home economics is very important to our nation. Now, in conclusion, home economics is useful for the individual family, and the nation. It provides skills for good living, creates careers, builds happy homes, and supports national development. Here is your assignment, JS1 students. Here is your assignment, just one question for you because this is JS1. List 5 industries that benefit from home economics and explain how they benefit from home economics. See you in the next class. Remember, I'm going to cover first term JS1 notes in this particular playlist from the first week of the first term to the last week of first term for JS1. Thank you for watching. See you in the next